Get accurate fuel tank readings and eliminate the need to drill holes through your fuel tank to install that aftermarket lift pump with the Fleece SureFlo Performance Sending Unit. The Fleece SureFlo Performance Sending Unit fits directly into your stock sending unit location and is designed to work with aftermarket lift pumps. Featuring factory-style quick disconnects, the Fleece SureFlo Performance Sending Unit requires no tank modifications and is simple to install. By drawing fuel from and returning fuel to the bucket assembly at the base of the unit, this prevents air from being drawn into the lift pump and removes the risk of quarter tank issues. The integrated one-way check valves allows fuel to flow freely even at lower levels. This sending unit is also a great alternative for trucks that were not originally equipped with an in-tank pump, need to repair a malfunctioning level sender, or are looking to run custom fuel lines directly to the tank. To find out more about the Fleece SureFlo Performance Sending Unit and get one for your truck, check out xdp.com today.